kuita moni vachicheka maribbons emaprojects avari kuita munyika muno, big projects. Now you want to be told kuti reporter kune party which is an indigent party, which is a drone party, which waits for the day we need to go to State House before they can show us what they...
Some of the statements you can just tell that they are not really factual, and we can never put that in the media. We thank you for telling us that there are billionaires who are doing different projects in our country. The only problem with the person at the grassroots is they are not benefiting from those projects. So for us to come into the media or onto the platform and say there are these billions that are being poured in and people are saying, where is the money? It does not make sense. The only problem with the person at the grassroots is they are not benefiting from those projects. So for us to come into the media or onto the platform and say there are these billions that are being poured in and people are saying, where is the money? It does not make sense. So we must be able to be that voice of reason that says A, B, C, D is happening, but we are not seeing the consequences of those activities. So I think we just need to be honest with ourselves to then say, how do we build our nation going forward? How do we build our media environment going forward? We cannot build it on lies. We have to build it on truth. We need to build it on honesty. We need to exercise integrity as we do things. It's not politics where we tell people that there's billions that is happening. It's business. So if business is happening, it must also cascade to the grassroots. People on the ground must be able to say, we now have jobs because certain activities are happening in our economy. People must be able to say we have money that is circulating because business is being conducted in Zimbabwe. We thank God that we have people investing, but it will be greater if we begin to see the money going around. We cannot even, if you go into in the communities, people are struggling. And when you tell them there are billions being poured out into the economy, they don't want to hear the billions. They want to see the $5 in their